Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss on our topic Bitcoin price reclaims above 44,000 bucks. Spot Bitcoin ETF updates are window for approval opens. According to FX Street Cryptos, Bitcoin price is flashing green, recouping part of losses made during the Wednesday crash as investors continue to shake off concern that the US SEC will reject spot BTF ETF application. Recent development inspires hope. Senior reporter at TechCrunch says Bitcoin ETFs will be approved by SEC for multiple firms application. Big news on January 5, 2024. Spot BTC ETF development ahead of the January 5 window. ETF specialist Eric Balconas has indicated that SEC is giving final comments after which the issuers will submit final 19B, 4S and S1S. According to Balconas, this is definitely as close to be done as we have been to spot BTC ETF approval, but no official approval as far I know. James Seffert also says an ETF specialist with the Bloomberg thinks the SEC could begin signaling to issuers to expect January approval officially between January 8 and 10, adding that gap between approval orders and actual trading will be measured in days and not in weeks. Elsewhere, sources closer to the proceedings says that SEC could begin notifying issuance of approval on Friday, January 5 with trading beginning as early as the following week. Bitwise surveyed over 400 financial advisors in November and December of 2023, with the finding shows that only 39% expect an ETF approval in 2024 January. A senior reporter at TechCrunch, Jacqueline Melinek, reports that spot Bitcoin ETF will be approved by the SEC for multiple firms. Application with the news expected tomorrow, citing sources extremely close to the matter. Heard from the sources extremely close to the matter that Bitcoin spot ETF is going to be approved by the SEC for multiple firms application. Grayscale has officially listed GTBC on their retail-facing website. Expert says that legally this is only possible if it is approved, as the firm Craig Salm says he is just filling out some forms. ARK Invest just filed a registration of securities for its Bitcoin ETF. Former Citigroup executives are launching Bitcoin depository recipients bypassing US regulatory approval. Unlike Bitcoin ETF converted to cash, these recipients offer direct ownership of Bitcoin for qualified institutions. Nevertheless, Eric Balconas believes these will be a tough sell with ETF around the corner. The head of research at CoinShares, James Butterfield, says that current Bitcoin prices suggest the market is pricing 1 billion seed into US spot based ETF, basing his assumption on the firm's fund flow